How's it going, everyone? Sometimes I do requests from viewers on YouTube, Discord, or wherever, and I had a request to do an update or a video on AGH. As you can see, this chart has been extremely beaten down. We were just at $5, and we had quite a big drop here, with some kind of substantial volume, 3 million, which you can kind of expect. But previously, not like the greatest volume, but when I'm looking for a stock like this, I always look for a reversion to mean. You guys know how I do things, and because that's the number one thing that's guaranteed. On this day right here, we had about 1,500,000 volume coming in about 16% gain. Okay, so you can see that the bodies of the candles are pretty good. It's not too spotty, and look at this massive candle we had at the end of the day, which kind of makes me think, maybe this is going to run pre-market here. 27% gain from here at the lows. So my honest opinion, if I saw this, it's green. I would definitely have to wait for it to be red the next day. Okay. Not hitting the CMA 5. We have one, two, three, four daily candles. With a little gap right in here, you can see we kind of gap down here. So I'm going to draw my gap. Usually it takes longer to touch that 5. Um, and then the next thing I want to look at is the KDJ. The K value is 8.90. So when I'm looking at this, I like to see what is the range up to this 5. Up to this 5 is a 95% margin. That's if it touches it right away. If it don't, then this is just going to drop drastically. So what I like to see is, first of all, it doesn't have like massive EMA5 TD with this gap here for me to want it. Usually when I look at plays that sometimes don't hit for like 7, 10, daily candles. Usually with a gap like this, it could take like 10 daily candles before it hits the 5. But we never know exactly what's sure. Obviously, if you wanted to just do small accumulations, you can do that. And you can see right here, you're already up, 16% on the day on that. And always lock in 10%, hold some at break even. If it decides to go to this EMA 5, you make bank. But I'm looking also at the volume here. We're down 64% with 4 million volume, 12 million volume rate on this candle, 2 million and 1 million. I love to see every time I see a stock that meets my system, usually around that fifth daily candle, I would look to get in. If I see like in the previous candles, like if I see like 40 million volume, if I see massive accumulation, then I look for, okay, this stock is accumulating some big money for a squeeze. This stock has decent volume. It doesn't have like massive volume. So I just want to show you guys that, what I try to look for. I don't think this is bad. It's just not like my A plus setup. I can show you guys plenty of examples of typically what I'm really looking for. But yeah, it's not a bad play. You can already see like it's already coming up there. I'm going to see if we go red on this. If it does go red for, maybe I might look back on it for 1 to 2 daily candles because, this can happen where you get this little bounce and then we just make new lows. I can show you tons of tickers where we had this green move and then we drop back down. And then what happens is this EMA 5, it gets lower and lower and lower. So we have 4 daily candles not touching the EMA 5. We have a gap right in here. I suspect 7 to 10 daily candles we touch this EMA 5, but we'll see. Nothing has to be exact. What I'm trying to teach is extreme oversold type patterns because if you go more extreme, you get the biggest reversions to the mean, like the biggest bounce can happen. So, yeah, so that's my analysis on AGH. If you guys ever want me to do analysis, I try to, especially if you really want to request. The best thing is just to join the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, you're going to see the actual real-time alerts that I like. A lot of people know this system. A lot of people put things in stock suggestions, and I look at that, and I'd be like, that's a good stock. So more eyes, the better, as these are trying to find reversions to the mean downtrend stocks. These are all downtrend stocks. You're not really trying to aim for the EMA 10. EMA 5 is your first target, and then most likely it rejects there, and then you go back to the 10. So it took me a long time to build this system based on using the KDJ. We have a lower Keltner channel, which is not even built in because there's not much data. And that's another thing. There's not a lot of data, so I can't even see where my Keltner channel should be. And then, yeah, EMAs are your targets. So that's how I look for it. Time distance is the number one thing because if you look at the vast majority of things, everything reverts to the mean, even if it's a really crappy company. So I hope you guys do like this video. If you want to join the Discord, get action to the real-time alerts, see how I do my day trades and my swing trades that have a high probability win ratio, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. And in the description, will say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, just read how to subscribe, and you can click this day trade alerts right here, and it'll ask you to subscribe for all my services, 12 bucks a month, over 90% win ratio on my day trades, making money every day, doing a very simple strategy that you would love to use. It's actually my most favorite. If you like my swing trading strategy, make sure you try the day trading. I have all the day trading education in there, swing trading education, swing trade alerts, day trade alerts, live streams, which you can watch me live on Twitch every day. Click this link and I'll go live in the mornings if you have any questions. All right, guys, give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.